Hi guys, let me teach you how I get to make this amazing shoe in a short while. Just use 5 minutes of your time. Feel relaxed, enjoy yourself with this amazing episode of how I get to make this shoe. Alright. So from the wrapping of the shoe to the cutting of the pattern to the cutting of the leather material to the assembling to stitching to molding and to finishing, everything is all in this video. So sit back, relax as you enjoy yourself, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, if you are a first person on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel and always on your notification bell so that you get notified on each of a video dropping on this channel. And also try to like my content, comment and share. Copy the link and share to your social media handles, on your WhatsApp, your Facebook groups, and your tweets or X or Instagram or TikTok, wherever. Just make sure you share my video, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe. Right now I'm trying to carve out my quota. You can see clearly I'm trying to get my top line, getting my quota done. All right, so you have to be cleaning. What you need to know is that while removing pattern, if you're not perfect enough, although nobody is perfect enough, but if you're not a professional enough, please always try to use a pencil to get your drawings. Remember, this is a freehand sketching, so you must, or you will always have to use your eraser. So get a pencil, then learn how to get your pattern done. Get your paper, fold into two. For you to get your vamp, you must have to fold your paper into two. Place your vamp, then give it your lasting allowance and your sewing allowance. The same thing you do to your quota. Place, but you're not folding your paper here. Then add your lasting allowance. Trace, get to cut it out, assemble them, and go for stitching. Right, you go for stitching. Once you're done stitching, then you have to add your lining. All right, once you add your lining, you stitch around, then you get to mold. All right, so it's all in this video. Just relax. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. All right, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. You can always reach out to me on +234 9035 539885. That is my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you have questions. +234 9035 539885. So I'll be waiting for your comments, for your likes, and for your share. All right, so I'm trying to get my quotas done. All right, so tell me how you get to do your derby shoes, your Oxford, and your Chuka boots. Tell me. It's just an amazing shoe here. This is what we have. From all those drama that was happening, this is what we have. All right, tell me if you love this shoe. Tell me if you love this shoe. All right, so if you need the complete video of this shoe, please reach out to me on 09035539885. all right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop your comments, and tell me what you think. All right,